showing you an awesome outdoor home. Whether it's for camping, a cozy getaway, or just soaking up the great outdoors, this is your perfect escape. It helps you get closer to nature. No need to struggle with complicated setups. This outdoor home pops up like magic, giving you more time to enjoy the surroundings. Inside, it's cozy. Outside, it's stunning. The best part is that you can set it up anywhere your heart desires. Every corner is designed to make your nature experience even more special. This outdoor home is surely your ticket to a world of tranquility and adventure.